Draw with Astro Draw. Hi everyone, I'm Yasmin. Today, we will draw a fictional character from Marvel, Ant-Man in Chibi style. Let's start drawing. First, let's sketch it out. Draw a circle for Ant-Man's head. Draw an oval for its small body. Its hands should be simple, so draw them like this. Then, draw its legs like this. Now, let's continue drawing Ant-Man using a marker or pen. Draw its eyes as hexagons and its mouth as circles. Then, draw its mask. Then, draw its jaw and ears. Draw its body. And add details to its costume. Now draw its right and left hands. And finally draw the right leg and left leg. Wow! You have drawn Ant-Man. It's time to color it. Let's color its eyes with red. And its costume too. Then add dark gray. After that, color it light gray. Finally, color the ears and mouth with black. Great job! You have successfully drawn Ant-Man in Chibi style. Don't forget to share your drawing with us and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.